How to fix can't adjust current clip on CapCut. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Pipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix can't adjust current clip on CapCut. Well, this basically happens due to the glitch or the error within the application. You want to make sure that your app is updated to the latest version. If you're updated to the latest version and if you're still getting this error, then what you want to do is you want to simply reinstall the application. Just uninstall the application and reinstall it. Now if you don't want to do so, then what you can do is you can simply reset the application. In order to do so, you can scroll down the notification bar, tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right, scroll down, and here what you want to do is look into the option apps. Under apps, here what you want to do is you want to scroll down and look into the option CapCut. Now here you can see CapCut, tap on it and open it up, scroll down and head into the storage option, and here at the bottom you can see clear data option. Simply tap on it. It reads all of this applicant's data will be deleted permanently. This includes all files, settings, accounts and databases, etc. So you want to tap on delete, and once you do so, it will reset the application and you should be able to fix the issue. So this way you can fix can't adjust current clip on CapCut. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.